Hey friends! Thank you so much for coming back for another grocery haul. If you are new here, hello, my name is Sel. In today's video, I will be showing you our massive grocery haul from Walmart and Sam's Club. If you like to see what we got so you can get some ideas on what to try next for your own grocery shopping, then stay tuned! So we just got home and as you see, we're putting everything in the kitchen. My son and my husband, they are unloading everything from the car and bringing it inside while I'm fixing everything on the kitchen island so I can show you better what we have. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Sel. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. I would love to have you join and be a part of my YouTube family, so please consider subscribing for more grocery hauls like this, cleaning motivations, and home organization. I upload new video every single week. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. I truly appreciate you spending time with me today. Alright, let me start showing you what we have here. First, we have these, I think you say mantecadas, I'm not sure. But these vanilla muffins are so good. There's 3 pack inside and 2 in each pack. I take this to work because I don't eat a lot at work, so that works for me. And then we got this white bread over here. And then my husband picked up this banana nut loaf. I love banana bread, but I really don't like the nuts in them. Let me know if you like banana bread and if you like it with the nuts. Here, my husband picked up this York peppermint pudding. I don't really eat this. I don't like peppermint on my food because I feel like I'm eating toothpaste when there's peppermint. And then he also picked up the strawberry shake. And then over here we have this raisin cinnamon bread. I love this for breakfast. I just put butter on them or a lot of times cream cheese lapping cows. And then my husband picked up this whipped cream cheese. I don't eat this. It gives me stomach ache. I just eat the lapping cows. I know it's cheese as well, but I don't know. I don't get stomach ache with that one. And then I got this Chobani Greek yogurt. My favorite flavor is the strawberry banana. They don't have a lot in stores, so I only got to pick 4 because that's all they have. Then over here, we have this Salisbury steak. My husband loved those for super easy dinner. And then I pick up this chicken carbonara again. We had this before and it's really good, guys. I recommend you try it. We grab it from Walmart and yeah, I like it, so we pick it up again. And then the sweet potato here, I'm obsessed. I eat that and then I put some brown sugar or even white sugar. It's really good. And then we grab these better cheddars. My husband liked this. A lot of crackers over here. We grab 2 of the better cheddar. And then we have this Nutty Buddy. My husband likes crackers. That's what he eats for snack. And then we grab 1, 2, 3 mac and cheese because my son is gonna have a birthday and we're gonna have mac and cheese for his birthday for the kids and some chicken tenders and other finger foods. And then over there on the back, I don't think I told you guys, we grab more eggs. It's 2 18-pack of eggs. And then all the way back here, we have the Pepsi. 1, 2, 3, 4 Pepsi. Because Sam's Club or Walmart, I don't know, for whatever reason, they always run out of Pepsi every time we go there. So we try to grab a lot. And then we just cut back on our next grocery trip. We have whole milk here, and then we also pick up a couple of these turkey gravy because we always use them in our house. And then back here we have Coffee Mate. I don't use cream or milk in my coffee, just Coffee Mate unless I'm buying coffee outside. That's all I use. And then sugar. And then also we have soups here. If you have been following me for a while or watching the other grocery haul that I did before, you know we love soup in this house. Especially at this time of the year, it's cold, so we've been eating a lot of soups. Our favorite is the creamy chicken noodle, but we still have a couple of them. So my husband picked up this chili mac. We've never seen this before, so he wanted to try it. And then I also pick up the sausage gumbo. This one is good too. And then I pick up this Pillsbury croissant, 2 of them, and also the dough sheets. I'm gonna use this for my son's birthday party. I'm gonna make some appetizer. I also grabbed this butter spray because we are running low and we're always cooking pancake in this house, so I always make sure I don't run out of this one. And then here at the front, we have some bacon. I don't know what's going on with Walmart. The last couple of times we went there, they don't have much bacon, so I just grab whatever they have. Normally, I would pick up the Oscar Mayer. I have one, but that's all they have left, and then I just pick up a different brand. Then I also grab these brown sugar honey breakfast sausage. These are good, guys. If you like breakfast sausage, I totally recommend this. You should try it. And then here, I've never tried this chili verde before. I saw it at Sam's Club, and I always try something different, especially if it's easy because I'm a busy mom. So I wanted to try this one. I'll let you know if it's good. We also pick up some frozen pasta, the Wilson cheese and mac and cheese, and then on the back we have a couple of the fettuccine alfredo. My son likes this, so I give this to him when we don't have time to cook. Just give this to him and then some sausage or tenders for dinner, and he's good to go. And then my husband picked up this Jimmy Jean fully cooked breakfast sausage, and I've never tried them before. My husband says it's good, so maybe I'll try that. And then over here, my all-time favorite, beef patros. I always grab this every time we go to Sam's Club because it's super easy, guys, and it's really, really good. All you need to do is like 12 to 13 minutes in the microwave and you have dinner. Just make some mashed potato or even vegetables on the side and you have a really fantastic dinner. And then here we have these chewy dips. We've been eating a lot of this, so we grab a couple of them. And then here we have this croissant breakfast sausage. Last time we went to Walmart, to Sam's Club, we picked up the biscuit and that was wrong, but it's all gone. My husband ate them all, so we grabbed the croissant now, which is the right one. And then we have these chocolate fudge brownies. My husband takes this to work. He eats that for snack. So we grab a couple more or one more box because we are low on them. And then we have some Pop-Tarts here. It's 4 different flavor. We grab this from Sam's Club because it's cheaper to buy it in bulk than to grab like different flavors at Walmart. And then here we have Oreos. And I pick up these waffle fries. It looks so good. I like fries. And I've never seen this before. I don't know why, but I've never seen this before. We always grab the crinkle fries, which is this one, which I really, really like too. But I wanted to try the waffles one just because it looks so fancy to me. And it's only like $5 at Sam's, guys. And then over here, we have Kool-Aids. My son is going to have a birthday, like I said, so we'll use that for the party. And then we grab the chocolate milk Nesquik. We always pick up one of those every time we go to Sam's Club, and also the Gatorade. And then here at the front left side, we have chicken breast. We grab a couple of them because we're gonna use one box for my son's birthday party. And this chicken breast, guys, if you haven't tried it and you have Sam's Club card and you shop there, you should totally try it. It's really good. The breading is so good. The chicken is so good. And then I pick up this Moist Meaty. My neighbor gave me a couple package for my dogs and they really like it. They normally eat dry food, but I want to give this to them as treats for like every once in a while. I pick up this Rinse Aid Finish. I normally use Finish detergent for my dishwasher as well, but they don't have it right now, so I pick up the Cascade. And then, as you see, I pick up that Clorox. It's for the toilet bowl. It says it sanitizes the toilet bowl every time you flush it. So, I want to try it and I'll let you guys know how it is. After showing you everything that we got, we are now putting them in the fridge, freezer, and pantry. Please let me know in the comments down below if you like me showing you the clips of me putting everything away or not. Your feedback is important to me. I hope you like and enjoy this video. I hope you found something from here that you want to try and pick up for your next grocery shopping trip. If you did, please give me a thumbs up so I know you're enjoying this kind of content and I will continue to do more video like this in the future. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate your time and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye! Happy grocery shopping!